Good evening traders, welcome to 200forexpips.com. Guys, in this video I'm going to give the analysis for 18th of March 2020. So before going to the analysis, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then do subscribe it and also press the bell button so that you can keep on getting the forex trading updates from my side. Okay guys, we hit 4 signals today and rest of the signals have not entered into our entry zone, so no trades should be triggered on the rest of the pairs. So those trades who are triggered, I'm going to talk about those trades right now. So starting with Great Britain Pound JPY, I have supplied the bearish trend in case of Great Britain Pound JPY from 128,986 and 126,932 is the target price. So guys, if you look at the trend, the Great Britain Pound JPY has received a big drop here and we have caught this drop and we have caught a very good profit by trading this pair. So overall I was bearish and it went into the bearish zone. So I congratulate all my traders who have taken the sell positions today on Great Britain Pound JPY. They must have ended their day with good profits. Okay, at next let's talk about the strength that we have seen today on USDJPY. I'm going to take you towards the signals report. So guys, I have supplied the bullish signal in case of USDJPY from 107,355 and 108,652 was the target price. And guys, you can see the market breaks the entry from here and then it started to go up and finally it just went near to the target price. So guys, if you are already in profits, if you have taken your profits, then that is fine. If you are holding your trades at that level, then I do not recommend you to hold the trades because it has already went so much up, so you must have enjoyed the profit. So do not take much greed in the market, so just get rid of the trade that is already in profit and then look for the better opportunities tomorrow. Okay, so at next we are going to talk about the strength that we have also seen on USDCHF. So I am going to take you towards the signals report. I have supplied the bullish signal in case of USDCHF from 096103 and 097089 was the target price. And guys, you can see right from the entry, the market breaks the entry and then again took the U-turn and then it went into our way and finally it hit the target price. So I congratulate all my traders who have taken the buy positions. There must be a very good profit on trading USDJPY as there was a yesterday chance also to take into the buy position. At next and at last, I'm going to talk about the Euro USD, which is the first pair of my signals report. So guys, today I was bearish on Euro USD and I have supplied the bearish signal from 109,863 and 108,964 was the target price. And guys, you can see a big drop on Euro USD and we have enjoyed that drop. We have caught this drop and you can see the profit on the screen as per the lot size. You can see that it's a massive drop and you should take a massive trade when the trade is going in your favor. So guys, that was all about the today's analysis. Moreover, for the newcomers who are just new to the trading channel, let me explain about the trading system. You can see there are two red boundaries on the chart. The top red boundary stands for overbought levels and the lower red boundary starts for the oversold levels. So whenever you see that the market is into the top red boundary and it's getting the rejection, what the rejection means, a couple of bearish candles, then you can sell the pair. Look, the pair went down. And whenever you see that the market is into the lower red boundary and it's gaining some momentum, then you can buy more. When the hourly candle closes above the middle dotted line, then you can buy more, and when it closes below the middle dotted line, like you can see blue line and this candle was closed below that, and then you can see the market further went down. So guys, this is how we use the trading system. Moreover, the arrows are there to help you. The price action monitor is there to help you. So it depends on you that what you focus on. So mostly I focus on the red boundaries and we trade according to it. Okay guys, if you are willing to subscribe to my daily forex signal service, if you want to get these trading indicators that we have just discussed, if you want to get the expert advisor that I have reviewed in my previous videos, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or guys, if you want to learn improve your technique through Skype one-to-one coaching, or guys, if you want to learn that how I come to know that in the morning that today Euro USD is going to be bearish, USDCHF is going to be bullish. So it's based on a technique. So I share this technique with the traders for $700 and the trader come online on Skype right at 12 p.m. GMT +5 and he prepared the signals with me for 3 days and after 3 days you will be able to generate your own signals on any currency pair. So if you want to learn that trick, then for all this you need to send your inquiries on info@200forexpips.com. Okay guys, please like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share this analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.